The way to ride in windy weather like this, which is pretty darn windy, is keep your hands loose, knees tucked into the tank. I like to sit to the very back of my seat, and then I keep my elbows loose, you can see in the mirrors, and basically just very light grip, just like when you ride. And then when you're going, the wind, yeah, it's gonna toss you back and forth, but you won't tip over. It's pretty nice though to ride in this. It definitely helps you with your hands and being very loose. So really, I mean, keeping the knees tucked into the tank, you don't have to death grip it. I don't death grip my tank at all, ever, really. I mean, I try to stay firm, and that's pretty much what I do, is stay firm. But taking off, it's not a big deal, you know. It's pretty easy. Like I said, keep the thighs into the tank slightly, but not too much. I keep my feet on the balls of my feet because I'm able to stand up. See, I can stand up real easily. And if you got knee problems, it probably won't be that easy to stand up like that. But in any case, it's really not that difficult when the wind is blowing around. You'll be correcting yourself with a little counter steering, just a slight counter steer, if that. But for the most part, man, I can cruise in this stuff relatively simple. It's not that difficult. You just got to get out and do it. If you don't do it, then you're never going to really understand how it's done. You got to get out and do it, practice it, just like any inclement weather. But yeah, this is how you ride. In my opinion, every rider has their way in really windy days. And look, I can still maintain, unless I don't want to, you know. Double tap, letting the car behind me know that I'm stopping too. But seriously, this isn't that difficult. Just be really, really relaxed. And that's the whole ticket on these beasts. If you're relaxed on these machines, and I mean relaxed, the minute you start tensing up, the bike senses that through the handlebars and the input. It's kind of interesting. And when it feels that, it's gonna react that way. It's gonna react real how do I say, spontaneously. So if you accidentally hit your throttle too hard, or you push on your handlebars too much, it's going to react. I mean, that's what these bikes are designed to do, is to react to slight pushing. But yeah, if you want to learn how to ride in the wind, get out and ride in the wind. I can tell you all day long, but it does you no good if you're not actually riding in it. Well, I had my camera down, my video recorder. Sorry about that. In any case, you heard what I was saying basically, and that's what's important. And the most important part of this is, see, I can still swerve, I can still do what I need to do. Make sure that the area is clear. But in any case, you got to get out and ride in it. And it may be scary at first, so just stick in your block or venture out around your neighborhood, you know, out on the road, and get acclimated. There's no other way to put it. We can say all day long what you should do, what I'm doing, but that doesn't mean you're going to put it to use. You're just going to listen to it. And the only way to learn anything is by putting it to use. So get out there, be vigilant, practice, and to keep you safe.